Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with StampinCrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me for another video today. We're doing another project using the Pick of the Patch bundle, which we featured in our September card class. So any orders placed by Thursday, if they're $35 or more using the host code, you have to use the host code, you'll receive a pack of the card class projects for free, and if you spend $50 you also get a pack of embellishments. So make sure to order by Thursday if you want to get all those great free items. Okay, so I thought we would do another fun project using all the pumpkins in this set. So we're starting off with a card base of basic black, and then I have a piece of this designer paper. It's the sheet that has all the fun different panels, and so I thought I'd use some of the panels. There's not enough to use in a class, so I thought, you know, a video would be a great time. And if you look, it's like a little herringbone pattern, but these are actually little bats, which is very fun. So I've cut that down, and I'll post measurements on my blog, and then I've just added a little panel of pumpkin pie behind it. I can't seem to remember colors today. And then on a scrap piece of pumpkin pie, I have stamped my 4 pumpkins in pumpkin pie ink. So my 2 smallest ones don't go with the punch, so I've already cut those out. And then I've stamped these, and we'll punch these out. I always stamp the big pumpkin on the right side of my paper because my punch is for that one is on the left. And then this little, the second largest has these big 3 humps, and these go on the other side. So I can punch those out pretty easily. Okay. And then I'm going to punch out a little stem of early espresso. There we go. All right. Now, I am going to layer these, and I'm not going to glue them down yet. I want to make sure I have them where I want them. And then we have we've got a little stem to come out the top, and I'm going to put a little Happy Halloween, so I might scooch these over so I can put that there. Maybe. Okay. I want to stamp a couple things really quick before we do our assembly. So first I want to put a face on my pumpkin stack, and I'm using these, we have these great little faces out of the Taco Fiesta set. My favorite one is the one with the mustache, and I think this will make this pumpkin super cute and funny. So we're going to stamp the little mustache face. Cute! It's got great faces in this stamp set. I mean, that's hilarious. And then I thought he's kind of like a snowman. So we're going to stamp. I'm looking for where I put it. I know I put it on a block. Here it is. We have this tree that's in the Pick of the Patch stamp set right here. So I'm going to use the 3 small branches at the end to make little arms for our pumpkin man. I'm going to try just stamping it straight on the paper. Then we're going to pop up the pumpkin. So I think I'll have them coming out of this next to top pumpkin. Let's see. Wherever I place it, that's where the pumpkin's going to be. Oh, it doesn't come out very strong because of the pattern. That's a little better. We might have to do it twice. I'm going to see if we can flip that up just a little bit. So it looks like that's standing up as well. And we'll stamp it twice to make it a little bit stronger. Okay, we'll see how that looks. We could always stamp them and then cut them out. All right, we're going to pop all of these up to give our project some dimension. Let's see, these are my mangled remains of all my classes this month. And we just use them until they're all gone. Okay. I think I was going to have him come out of this pumpkin. Oh, he's going to have to come out of this one because I put them too close together. Okay. We'll give that a shot. What? Flying scissors, look out. Okay. I'm going to tuck that one under there. Then we'll get a slab on here. A slab of dimensionals right underneath. And then we'll pop up our little one on top. He just needs a little bit of dimensional. But first, well, we've got to put the stem on. Just a little dot of liquid glue. A big stem for that little pumpkin. Let's see if we can slide him down a little bit. Oh my gosh, too funny. I think I'm going to take, because it's really hard to see our twigs, so we're just going to draw some twigs on. We can just kind of add a couple if we want them. Okay, cute. You could actually, if you wanted to, you could put different faces on all of the pumpkins. We're just going to go with one today. Okay, let's tear this down to our pumpkin pie layer and then to our card front. And you want to put a piece of white on the inside as well. I'm going to just center this, I think, hopefully. And then let's grab our Happy Halloween, because this is obviously Halloween. And we've got a little banner cut. Now you could do this as fall and use a different paper in the background and not, I'm going to add a little bit of string to this one. I'm going to just tie a big loopy bow and just have it as fall with a fall background and just a stack of pumpkins. Okay. Well, a little adhesive right in the middle to put our string on. And then we'll put dimensionals. Got a little bit left on here. And we're going to just maybe pop that up so his stem's right over on top. Cute! That's kind of creepy looking. You know what that reminds me of? Reminds me of Beetlejuice. For some reason, it reminds me of Beetlejuice. All right, well, sorry. I did not make a sample of this beforehand. I just had this idea. And now that I put it together, it's pretty funny. He's got like 4 arms coming out. 4 arms. That's why it looks like Beetlejuice. We gotta make those arms better. That's why it looks like Beetlejuice. He's got the 4 arms coming out. Oh, help me. Okay. So that's our card for today. Oh, let's go ahead and bling it up a little bit. What color do we have left? I'm gonna put these 2, I have 2 coppers left on this one, on this sheet. I get these are the neutral adhesive back sequins. I love these things. There are a ton of sequins on here. You get all the metallic colors. You can see I've used all my fall, and so I'm saving my gold and silver for Christmas projects. But yeah, interesting. Okay, thanks everybody for stopping by. Make sure to check back. Excuse me, I'm choking myself all up. Make sure to check back on Thursday. I've got some fun Halloween treat projects for you starting Thursday. So I will see you all then, and thanks for stopping by today. All right, bye-bye.